I pull through the hole. Yeah, it comes out from the other end. So let's clear the vent hole. That's step number 1. Further step I can do is to use this to pull through. Okay, so usually I do it from here, the other side. Yeah, just pull through, remove all the wax. Then if I want to wash this, I wash this under running water. Use a toothbrush to remove the wax, and then I dry it with tissue. Never use a cotton to dry, because the lint will stay on it. Yeah, and what is this for? This brush is to brush the plate area. So I remove the battery first, close it, I brush. Each brush is 20 strokes, one direction. Not like this, but 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a microphone. So a brush. You can do this, here it's mentioned that you can do this about once a week. Yeah, just to brush. Or sometimes once or twice a month, that will be okay. But notice I remove the battery. So this is a magnet that I can pick up the battery, open the battery door. Now the battery always has a fixed direction to enter. You cannot choose any other direction you want. There's a fixed direction. You just put in here. That's all. And then you close. Okay, so this is a magnet. This is a brush. We don't use this at all, except for some people who use this to push out the battery. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to teach you how to change the filter. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to use yours, and then I'll give you a replacement later. Okay, so pull out the tool. There are 2 parts to the tool. Assuming this is in your left hand. Okay, so you engage the filter. This is in your left hand. So there's 2 parts to the tool. The one with the thread, the one without the thread. The one with the thread is to extract the old filter out. So you do like this in your direction, clockwise. Okay, clockwise. You pull out. Okay, and then you go to the other side of the tool. Pick up a new one. So you have to turn the wheel, look for a new one, click on, and you insert. Okay, bend. That's it. The old filter you remove and you throw away. That's all. Put this back to this tool. So there are 2 parts to the tool. I repeat again. One part is to extract the old filter. The other part is to insert the new filter. Once it's done, you put the filter tool back to this original place.